Hello, welcome to Mashhad, a city in Iran, a country with a population of 77 million. Mashhad is the capital of Khorasan Razavi province, a province with an area of 128,420 square kilometers and a population of 4,777,000 people. Mashhad is in the vicinity of Turkmenistan and Afghanistan. The climate of this city is moderate with lots of sun and cold and dry winters. In Mashhad, the spiritual capital of Iran, 3 million people live side by side with a population density of 9,000 people in each square kilometer. Mashhad Islamic City Council consists of 35 delegates who've been chosen by the people, and these delegates choose the Lord Mayor of this city. In 2009, Mashhad was officially nominated as the religious capital of Iran, and it's preparing itself for becoming the cultural capital of the Islamic world in 2017. Mashhad has one international airport, 3 terminals, 5 main entrances, and 1 railway station. Every day, about thousands of passengers and commodities are being moved by Mashhad Tehran, Mashhad Bandar Abbas, and Mashhad Turkmenistan railways. At the moment, the Mashhad North Railway is ready to be constructed. Mashhad, the region's communication heart. One can travel in the city by taxi, bus, or urban railway. Currently, Mashhad's first urban railway line is moving thousands of passengers each day. The second line has 70% of physical progress. The third line is ready to be constructed, and its fourth line is being studied. There are more than 5 million commutes each day. There are more than 800,000 cars in this city, and every year about 40,000 cars are added to this amount. Only 6% of commutes are done by bicycles. My city suffers from weather, water and soil pollution, but through using environmentally friendly technologies such as compost factory, solar power plant and biogas power plant, about 20% of this pollution has been decreased. In addition, natural gas and electricity, which are produced by several big power stations, are accessible in all parts of the city. Drinking water is also provided by several dams, and they offer the whole city pure drinking water. 3 operators cover both land and cellular lines, high-speed internet and 270 kilometers of optical fiber. Financial services are given via all banks and financial credit institutions, which are supported by the Central Bank of the Islamic Republic of Iran. The economy of Mashhad is based on religious tourism, recreational activities, natural tourism, medical services, and agricultural product export and industries. About 25 million tourists every year. Besides Imam Riza's holy shrine, Mashhad's historical attractions such as Ferdowsi Tomb, Nadiri Museum, and its picturesque nature all have their place with both national and international tourists. There are some national parks in this city such as Vakil Abad National Park, Mellat Park, Shadi Mountain Park, Qaim Paradise Park, Kuh Sangi Park, and Engelab Grand Park. Mashhad is the second scientific pole of Iran. There are 23,000 university students, both from Iran and foreign countries, in Ferdowsi University of Mashhad and its other 25 universities. Moreover, Mashhad has 2,854 general schools, and it also has 26 religious schools. The dynamic cultural and artistic life of the people of this city is enlightened by 14 cinemas, 30 conference halls, 20 natural parks around the city, and many art galleries and cultural centers. The biggest library in Iran, Astane Quds Razavi Library, and 50 museums are activating the scientific and cultural life of the citizens. Mashhad has also a rich culture in the field of traditional sports, and it has various sport halls such as Takhti Complex, Astane Quds Razavi Complex, Hilal Ahmar Sport Hall, Shahid Beheshti, aqua parks, bicycle riding fields, car racing fields, skate, motocross, and the first golf field of Iran. Mashhad has 31 medical centers which have 6,113 beds, and its medical services are high in quality and variety and low in cost, and these facts have turned this city to the medical pole of Iran. The second biggest and active commercial fairground of Iran is located in Mashhad. And as this city is in the vicinity of countries of Central Asia, this fairground is very active in the field of industry. Mashhad souvenirs are cultural products such as saffron, barberry, nuts and dried fruits, and industries such as leather, handworks, metal, textile, non-metallic minerals, and chemicals. Mashhad has 8 industrial zones and is one of the industrial zones of Iran. In recent years, the amount of investment on administrative, commercial and residential projects have increased. 35 residential administrative complexes and more than 50% of hotels of Iran have been constructed in Mashhad. In this city, 12 consulates exist, and this city is the sister city of 11 big sisters in the world. I hope I presented a vivid image of Mashhad and made you familiar with the process of investment in Mashhad and its encouragements.